Hey, how's it going? I want to do a quick unboxing of the ATHLON Argos BTR. It's the 6 to 24 by 50 scope. Um, if you know that these come in two different part numbers, this is the one that ends in 61, no 60. This in the 61, the reticle here will have it the pyramid for more precise measurements. I accidentally ordered the wrong one, but that's okay. After I did a little more research on it, it won't make any difference for what I'm doing. So to be honest with you, I already opened it, but I just want to show it because I haven't seen too many unboxings on this one, or I just couldn't find them on YouTube, I guess. But anyways, just to start off with, they actually have a really nice box. I've seen other scopes, and they come with basically very cheap kind of a cardboard boxes, but this one actually has some type of magnetic mechanism down here that it locks on. It's really nice. I know I've put in probably a little too much emphasis on the box itself in this video, but because it has very nice foam and cutout in here too for the scope itself. I guess for shipping and handling purposes, but it I just look at these little things because those little details are the ones that I think kind of matter in understanding what some of these companies, what type of quality they're producing. Because if they had just slapped this together, then that kind of shows me, oh, well, the quality of the actual scope might have been, might be kind of okay also. But based on some of this stuff that I'm seeing here, I mean, just it's very nice compared to some of the more other, more popular companies out there. It comes with a manual. This is actually kind of a general purpose. It covers most of their or different models of scopes. So it's not just one or specific to this one. Then it comes with a lens cleaner. In here was a D-size or a button battery because there is illumination in here, but I already put that in. And I'll show you where that goes. It came with these plastic washers. The purpose of these is to return back to zero or a zero stop. A lot of people I noticed in the reviews had complained that they didn't give these, but it looks like they listened and they include these now. Because I think most people had to go to hardware stores to buy them. And like most other scopes that you get out there, here's a Allen key. And the scope itself came with these flip covers for the front and back. I wasn't actually expecting that. I didn't know it came with it. Maybe I didn't read the website carefully enough, which I guess I didn't because I ordered the wrong part number. But it's very nice, heavy, nicely built scope, and this is rugged. I guess the real test is going to be on a high recoil. There's 11 points of adjustments for the let me see if you can see that, for the intensity of the illumination. And when I looked through it, it was very nice. There's no blurring. It's dead on the crosshair. And other than that, I haven't really tried it on a rifle yet. First one I'm going to do is actually on a 22 caliber. It's the Ruger SR22 rifle. Just because I don't want the recoil. I just want to be able to test out the scope as is, just to see how everything works. Just kind of get used to the features on this, and then I'll move on to the heavier recoil. These scopes come with a lifetime warranty, so I'm not worried that later on it doesn't work on the heavy recoil rifles. But I should be fine. I mean, the lifetime is, that's a good warranty. Actually, it's one of the best I've seen. It doesn't say limited lifetime. It actually has lifetime warranty for major defects. So that was it. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.